come with me to Auntie Faeeza's home kitchen cooking class. This is located in the Bo-Kaap of Capetown, South Africa. Here is Auntie Faeeza herself and a little bit of her kitchen. And this is a really fun, interactive cooking class. She had us cooking with her, as you will see in future clips. But the food here is Malayan Cape food, which was really great. It's very similar to Indian food, just with a couple twists and hints of her own stuff. And Auntie Faeeza is a very famous chef. Like, a lot of people come to see her. She's been on Netflix shows and all that, so it was really great getting to cook and eat with her. So here we're making the curry. As you see, there's the chicken in there, and there's the potato in there, and we're making the roti here, and we're frying it up. This is all really good, so good. Here it is in her hand. And here is me struggling like I always do. I had no idea what I was doing, y'all. And here we're making the chili bites. These are really good too. It's my first time having chili bites. And here's John watching over the chili bites. He was being very attentive to them. So thank you, John. And here's a clip of Jen getting really excited hearing the word chili bites. It's like her favorite food, I guess. And we were also making samosas. And here's all the food. We had the curry, the chili bites, chicken samosas, and other samosas.